Hi guys, this is my fresh new small bullet journal. I'll be planning the month of May here. This is actually my first time journaling and recording on YouTube. The theme is around spring flowers, as you can see. I'm still not over cherry blossom, so I'll draw flowers from the bottom and the top of the page. I draw very roughly before I use a pen or paint. And then I am choosing a very basic pink color, which is one of my favorite colors these days, from a very basic watercolor palette. But before that I forgot to write the month name, which is May, so switching to that first. I am not a pro at calligraphy. As you can see, I got stuck when I had to write A after M, but I'm trying. I think it turned out okay, but the Y is not as pretty as M and A, but I think we can do with it. And then just adding little details here and there. Going over and over again because the watercolor, as I said, is very basic and not of high quality. Then the favorite part of painting the flowers. I added a tiny one just because the space was a little blank. Then doing the same thing for the top flowers as well. I could not find a ruler, so I'm using a straight piece of plastic to form the stems and add little details to my flowers. And then just erasing all the pencil marks and then adding more color, going over it again and again just because the color is not according to what I like. So doing that again. And then this is the best part, adding some details with ballpoint pen. This is really satisfying. This is why I really like doing painting and I'm getting more into it. So next, I wanted to make a habit tracker. So next I wanted to make a habit tracker, but I messed it up. So I took out a page from the journal, which I'm planning to stick on the messed up part. I'll show you how the messed up part looked like towards the end of this page. So I'm just drawing 31 days for this month for all 4 habits which I want to track, which are waking up early, writing more. If you don't know, I want to write short stories and I attempt to write short stories on my Instagram, so you can follow me there. And the third habit I want to follow this month is eat healthy and less of junk food. And then fourth one is drawing and painting more. So these are the 4 habits I want to track and I want to follow this month. And then just adding little more details, little bit of flowers. Actually, I should have had like little sketch pens. I would have added like pink flowers, but I did not have a pen, so I just used a normal blue gel pen and just added a bit of flowers. And then this is the messed up part. I messed it up twice, so I could not draw the grid. Then I'm planning to paste this thing here. Yeah, just fold it and make it like as neat and as tidy as possible. But this page looks very blank, so I still wanted to add little more flowers which show the flowers which have detached from the tree and are generally found on the roadside. I really like these flowers, those flowers, and whenever I'm walking down the street and I find those flowers, I want to bring them back home, and I usually get them back home. So I'm trying to draw as many as cherry blossoms fallen on the street, as you can see. Adding details. I still don't like it, but trying to just make it up for the mess I've created, and that's why the title of Messy Journaling with Me. But I think I'm doing okay for the first time. I really like the idea and the theme going on, and so I finally painted it with a sea blue green so that it looks okay, and I think it turned out to be pretty okay. Again, the messed up part, and now I'm sticking it to cover it with normal, using a normal glue stick. Yeah, I think it looks pretty okay. And then the final page is for recording the highlights of this month. I really like the color scheme, again sticking to pink and purple, and then I also like the mini cosmetic tube which represents K-Beauty. So this is finally how it looks like. Let me know in the comments if you like it and if I should do more. And this is the best part, just sticking it off if you've done your habits for the day. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it.